Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Note 12, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, and when you see your boot options, hold power off. This will then in turn bring up this window, reboot to safe mode. So do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed, and they will be disabled. They will be restored when you reboot again. So let's click on OK to initiate the reboot. Now I am going to take out the SIM and SD card just for the fact that it would bring up PIN once the device boots up, and just something that I don't want to deal with. So as you can see, the device reboots, and in a moment it will boot up. Now that being said, safe mode is primarily used to troubleshoot your device. Maybe you have installed some kind of malicious application that is causing you massive problems and you can't deal with it in normal mode. You can boot your phone, hopefully, into safe mode, and from there, this application can no longer cause you any problems because it cannot start itself up, nor will you be able to start it up. So from there you can go into settings and just get rid of it as an example. Now unlocking the device will show us that everything looks fine, which is a little bit odd. Usually when you have widgets somewhere on your screen, it will disable them. That's by default. And if you have some kind of applications on a home screen, they might right now become semi-transparent, grayed out. Don't worry, that's basically safe mode disabling these applications for the time being, as long as you're in this mode, and that is completely normal. So troubleshoot whatever you need to troubleshoot, and once you're done and you want to go back to normal mode, hold your power button and simply select restart. The device will reboot, and once it does, it automatically goes back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.